Hello, hi to everyone. I welcome you all to my channel Mantro, Daily Mantras for Everyone. Today I am here with the Laghu Annapurna Stotra, a powerful humming dedicated to Goddess Annapurna, the divine provider of nourishment and abundance. This cat stotra is referred for its ability to attract prosperity and fulfillment of wishes. By recreating Laghu Annapurna Stotra with devotion, you invite the blessing of Goddess in your life. The stotra emphasizes the importance of guidance, gratitude, and divine connection we share with the universe. It reminds us that when we seek with a pure heart, the universe responds in kind. Incorporating this powerful humming into your daily routine and experience the transformation it brings. Laghu Annapurna Stotra has the power to fulfill your deepest desire. Let's start.
भगवति भवरोगात् पीडितं दुष्कृतोत्यात् सुतदुहितृकळत्र उपद्रवेणानुयातम् विलसदमृतदृष्ट्यां वीक्ष्य विभ्रान्तचित्तम् सकलभुवनमातस्त्राहि माम् ॐ नमस्ते माहेश्वरीमाश्रितकल्पवल्ली महं भवोच्छेदकरी भवानी क्षुद्धार्तजायातनयादुपेत स्तवान्नपूर्णे शरणं प्रपद्ये दारिद्र्यदावानलदह्यमानं पाह्यन्नपूर्णे गिरिराजकन्ये कृपाम्बुधौ मज्जय मां त्वदीये त्वपादपद्मार्पितचित्तवृत्तिम् दूतन्नपूर्णा स्तुतिरत्नमेतत् श्लोकत्रयं यः पठतीह भक्त्या तस्मै ददात्यन्न समृद्धिमम्भा श्रियं च विद्धां च यशश्च मुक्तिम्.
If you have liked this video, please do subscribe and turn on the notification.